Have you ever wanted to create some content and just found yourself staring at a blank screen? I think it happens to all of us. So today I created something I'm going to give to you for free that'll help out with that. It'll break that blank screen writer's block that we all experience from time to time. It's really simple. It's a AI skill that you can use in Claude, you can use in Manus, you can use in Perplexity, you can use in ChatGPT, you can even use in Gemini. I'm going to show you how to get it set up and how you can use it. Super, super easy. For those of you wondering, an AI skill is simply a text file. It's a recipe, instructions, an SOP to give to your AI model so that it operates in the way that you want. This is a pretty simple one, but I'm going to give it to you for free to learn how to do it. So it's super easy. I just did another video on how to install these. So if you need to know that, go check back one video. I've got that in there about how to install these, but they're super easy to use. So let's go ahead and pop on over to Claude and take a look. I'm going to move down in the corner here, and we're going to go over to Claude. Now I reran this because of course when I'm recording video and trying to use the internet, sometimes things don't go as planned. So we're going to go ahead and take a look here. In order to start it, I literally just put in the / and it picked 5 content angles, and I gave it a single prompt. AI prompting for dummies. All you need to do with this skill is give it a topic, any topic you want, and it'll come up with 5 angles for you. So here we get angle number 1, the contrarian angle. A better prompt will not fix bad thinking processes. And the post would be about why most prompting devices or advice teaches you how to write more words when the real problem is knowing what you actually want to say. And you can see I've got 5 more: a story version, a list version, a question version, and a proof version. Now I ran this exact same thing in Manus. You can see same process, a / same prompt, AI prompting for dummies. And here we came up with the same thing. This is neat. Notice it's the same skill I'm using in each of these tools. So it's totally transferable between all of these various AI tools, and the instructions are the same. So we're going to get the same order: a contrarian, a story, a list, a question, and then a proof. And again, same type of structure, same instructions for each one. Going to probably be different results, but same instructions. I went ahead and ran it in Perplexity to do the exact same thing. So use our 5 content angle skill, AI prompting for dummies, and you can see a contrarian, a story, a list, a question, and a proof post that all came through. We read the contrarian a little while ago. Let's try the story one. He changed one prompt and his proposal took 12 minutes. A before and after story showing how a simple prompt framework helped a business owner create a useful first draft faster. I could absolutely turn that into a post and no more staring at the blank screen. Now, some of you, depending on the plan, you may have skills available in ChatGPT. I do on my team plan, and you can see the same thing. We just ran our 5 content angles and same thing. Now, you'll notice that as with typical, work just a little bit differently in ChatGPT. It doesn't tend to follow instructions quite as well. It's a newer feature for ChatGPT, so we'll give them a little time to catch up. I love the way it works in Claude and Manus, and Perplexity as well. Those are them. So you can even use it in Google Gems, although it's a little more tricky, so I'm not going to show you that one right now. But as you can see, it's easy to use this. My recommendation, go to Claude. It's super easy. You install the skill, you run it, you're going to get great quality content, and you're never going to stare at a blank screen again. So check the comments. You'll see a link to download this from my Google Drive. You can install it for free. You can use it for free. I hope you enjoy it and make it a great day.